To move your tray up or down, first remove the 2 screws here on the rail using a Phillips screwdriver or drill. Then unhook the rail from the back and move to the desired spot. Make sure the front and back are moved the same number of notches so the tray will remain level. Once the rail has been moved to the new location, you can tighten the screws back into place. To move the rail on the right side, start by taking out these 2 screws in the front. Then remove the rail by unhooking the latch in the back. Move the rail the same amount the left one was moved, and then secure the rail into its new position.